Welcome back to the channel, foodies. Today I'll be teaching you how to make this really creamy Guinness ice cream, ROMA'S kitchen style.
Can't cook. Ticket you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book.
This is literally all we need for the ice cream: heavy whipping cream, Guinness stout, condensed milk, and vanilla extract. The vanilla extract is optional. So first things first, I have here 500 milliliters of heavy whipping cream, and I'm just going to whip this up for a few minutes. I just want to change the consistency just a little. It doesn't have to be really thick as if you're making whipping cream for cake. No, you just need to change the consistency a bit. And I must add that you should ensure that your whipping cream or your heavy cream, it is nice and chilled. You do not want to use warm or room temperature whipping cream to do this. And the good thing about using a hand mixer, this will only take you a few minutes. But if you don't have a hand mixer, guys, still make your stout ice cream. You just need a regular whisk, and you whisk until the consistency changes a bit. Alright, so as you can see, the consistency has changed, and now it's time for me to set this aside, and then I'll make the stout mixture. It's very important that you mix the stout with the milk before adding it to the heavy whipping cream mixture. So here I have 1 can of condensed milk, and I'll be using the entire can of condensed milk. Ensure that you get every last drop out. Get everything out, guys. You really need this for your ice cream to be nice and creamy. The heavy whipping cream, if you're using heavy whipping cream or just heavy cream, it doesn't have any taste, so you need this. So here I also added a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and this is optional. Next, I'm going in with 410 milliliters of the Guinness. I did not use the entire can of Guinness, but you can do that. I just thought what I used was enough for me, but you can use the entire can, which is 440 milliliters. This step is very much necessary. As I said, do not add the Guinness straight to the whipping cream or the heavy cream mixture. Do not do that. Ensure that you mix this with the condensed milk first. You mix it out nicely, and you will have an idea now of how your ice cream will taste, because this is where the flavor will be coming from. Mix it really well. You see how this looks creamy, guys? This is why you need to mix that Guinness in with that condensed milk. Stout ice cream is just always my favorite. So here you just need to add the mixture back now to the heavy whipping cream, a little at a time. Just cut and fold and add that in. If you're wondering why you shouldn't add the Guinness straight to this, that's because you don't want your ice cream to have any of those little icy flakes in it. You don't want that. So this is the best way to do it. So you add the mixture in just a little at a time, cut and fold. You can taste as you go along to see if you want to add a little more Guinness, to see if you want to add a little more condensed milk, but this was just fine for me, just right. Mix it all in, and I love the stout flavor that this has, guys. You can taste it right now. Stout, nice and strong, and the smell is kicking. Alright, lovely. And guys, that is basically it for mixing everything up. So I'm just showing you guys how nice and creamy this is right now. Give it your final taste to say whether or not you want to add anything else to it. If not, you are good to go. I do not have a container that is very big that can hold all of this at once. Look at this creaminess. So I'll be adding mine in like 2 little bowls. I'm filling one up here. I'm just adding as much as I can in this one, and then I'll add the rest in another bowl. And I'll also make some nice little ice cream pops like these. Great. Cover those up. I'll rest them in the fridge until this gets nice and hard like ice cream. Here it is. It was too hard for me to actually, scoop this really well or nice to show you guys, but I still managed to scoop it well. And here is my ice cream, guys. Nice and perfect Guinness Stout ice cream by ROMA'S Kitchen. Nice and simple. Only 3 to 4 ingredients are required. So simple to make. It is also so yummy. Homemade stout ice cream is just the best. This is kind of melting a bit, and as you can see, it's melting nice and creamy. So of course, guys, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, and if this is something that you'll try. Of course, if you like the video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to the channel, turn your post notifications on, visit my website at roma'skitchen.net for this and other great recipes. Until next video.